Welcome to the thrilling tale of Alex, the skilled but quirky cloud engineer, Sarah, the no-nonsense manager, and Michael, the ever-curious CIO. Together, they face 10 of the toughest Azure Cloud Computing challenges and conquer them one by one. Stay tuned as this trio battles latency, downtime, and other cloud disasters with humor, teamwork, and some really good solutions. Plus, 3 tricky questions at the end to test your skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help Alex earn his coffee budget for the month.
Alex, why is the app so slow today? Users are complaining it's taking longer to load than my grandma's lasagna.
Relax, Sarah, I've got this. Let's check Azure Monitor for latency metrics first.
Alex dives into Azure Monitor, identifies a latency spike, and optimizes the network configuration.
Deploying the app closer to users, check Traffic Manager, check CDN to cache static content. Done, boom, problem solved.
Fine, but you owe me lasagna for the stress.
Alex, the app went down during a client demo. What's going on?
Oops, time to deploy some resilience.
Alex quickly sets up multiple instances in different Azure regions and configures the Azure load balancer.
With disaster recovery plans in place, downtime will be history.
Great. Next time, can you prevent a disaster before it happens? Alex, why does our Azure bill look like we're hosting a gaming tournament?
Let me see that. Oh, that's because we didn't shut down unused resources.
Alex uses Azure Cost Management, identifies idle resources, and enables auto-scaling.
Fixed it. Now we're saving enough to sponsor that coffee Sarah keeps guzzling.
Touché. Seriously, Alex? Sticky notes in 2024?
Hey, it's my version of Azure Resource Manager.
Sarah glares. Alex quickly organizes resources using resource groups, tags them, and automates repetitive tasks with PowerShell.
Voila, all neat and tidy, just like you wanted.
Finally, you're learning.
We've got a GDPR compliance issue. Fix it now.
Don't worry, I've got Azure Policy and Compliance Manager on my side.
Alex configures policies, enables auditing, and encrypts all sensitive data.
You might just save my job, Alex. Nice work.
Wake up, genius. The VMs are slower than my morning workout.
All right, let's fix this.
Alex upgrades to premium SSDs, enables accelerated networking, and optimizes resource usage.
Back to lightning speed now. Can I nap?
Not until you fix the next issue.
Alex enables Azure Backup, sets up geo-redundant storage, and tests restoration plans. Alex, data restored, crisis averted. Michael, you're a lifesaver, Alex. Alex uses Azure Autoscale, deploys microservices, and sets up Azure Cache for Redis. Alex, we're ready for anything now. Sarah, you might actually be good at this. Alex uses Azure Migrate, tests the process, and creates a backup. Alex, done. Migration complete with 0 downtime. Michael, you've outdone yourself, Alex. Questions to test your knowledge. 1. How would you set up a multi-region deployment in Azure to ensure 0 downtime? 2. What are the best practices for securing sensitive data in Azure? 3. How do you optimize resource costs while maintaining performance for high-traffic applications? Alex, well, that wraps up our adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up with our next cloud adventure. Oh, and maybe buy Sarah a coffee. Sarah or Alex, a new sense of humor.